In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Scarlet Revoked issue on iOS. Here's how to do it. Install DNS. Open Safari or Google Chrome and download DNS. Install it from your settings. Download the working version. Visit the Scarlet website and download the working version. Install it when prompted. Download P12 file. Download the P12 file from the website. Close Safari after downloading. Trust the profile. Go to Settings, VPN and Device Management. Trust and verify the downloaded profile. Import Shanghai file. Open the AIN app and import the Shanghai file. Import codecs from the apps. Install codecs. Open codecs. Press Signature. And then Install. Verify and test. Go back to VPN and Device Management, trust Shanghai and verify. Test codecs by playing Blade Ball. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment for assistance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a great day.